One of the biggest categories, and the fastest growing category around buying and trading and selling of stocks and other products too, but particularly stocks, is discount brokers. So you might also know them as online brokers or online traders. And you may know of them like E-Trade and Scottrade, companies like that. And we'll have some more examples here in a moment of that companies that you can look at as far as that can handle your buying and selling of stocks and other types of products. So they're discount brokers, they're online. And the idea is that it's more put on you now. You decide on what you want to buy and what you want to sell. They don't give advice. It's not like a full service broker where somebody's working specifically with you. It's up to you as far as what you want to buy and sell. A lot of the online brokers, though, as you go check them out, have a lot of great articles and information about buying and selling stocks. They have a lot of great tools and calculators and things too to help you research and decide on stocks as well. So you can take maybe some of the principles in the course, sign up with a discount broker, and then start using their tools to help you pick out stocks, mutual funds, whatever it is that might be of interest and work for you. So the key is they don't manage your portfolio, and since they don't manage your portfolio, that's where the discount comes in. That's where the heavy discounting comes in. So their costs to buy and sell stocks are much, much, much less than a full service broker. Because remember, you're not paying all those fees for the full service advice. You're doing it yourself. And now the discount broker can use an online platform, drive out costs, reduce, personnel and all that on their end so they can give you great pricing to buy and sell stocks. So it's a great way to get started with investing, actually, especially if you want to start small. A lot of these discount brokers can let you start with a very small amount of money to get started with trading. Go to the different websites. They'll tell you how much you need to get started. It's very, very low. Versus a full service broker that might need lots of money, thousands and thousands of dollars of US dollars, let's say, to get started. So you have to evaluate between the two. So the key with a discount or online broker is you're doing it yourself, all right? So this is you applying your information, your education, things you're learning, and you're doing it yourself, and thus you're able to, capture a much, much lower cost. So you've got one extreme of the full service broker or a full service stockbroker that gives you all that advice and those high fees, and the discount broker, so it gives you lots of tools and access to maybe information and tools and research and calculators, but you're making those decisions on your own, but you're able to capture a much, much lower cost. So you can weigh versus your comfortableness between those two extremes. Some examples of some discount brokers and online brokers are names you've probably seen advertised a lot. They do a lot of advertising, so you might have seen them a lot. So companies like E-Trade or Scottrade or Charles Schwab, or there's new ones out there like Trade King and Options House. TD Ameritrade's been around quite a while. First Trade, Interactive Brokers, Merrill Edge, which is actually a part of Merrill Lynch to have a discount arm, and even big mutual fund companies like Fidelity offer some discount brokerage and discount online things too. So if you have some mutual funds, look at your mutual fund provider. They might allow you to buy and sell individual stocks as well as mutual funds through them as well, and Fidelity has that as well. So you can see it's been a real popular area because the costs have gone down so much with buying and selling trading through this discount brokers that's really putting pressure on the full service brokers, and that's why some of those are investing and getting involved with some of that, like with Merrill Edge, for example. But the big players out there have been the big players for a long time. E-Trade, Scottrade, Charles Schwab, Trade King, Options House, and TD Ameritrade have been the big players for a long, long time, and they got a lot of different tools, and when you go take a look at them, some you might like better than another, just the look and feel of the thing, but they all essentially do the same thing, which is buy and sell securities, equities at very, very low prices. But remember, with an online broker or a discount broker, you're doing it all yourself, which is great. You get that great discount, and then you can do the investing. Because remember, you can always change your mind and buy and sell at any point, but now it's more on you to be the expert and have some expertise around your trades. And my hope is this course really helps you with that, and that you can take advantage of somebody like an online broker and enjoy those cost savings.